Although eels are not fish, they do live in water and have many similarities with fish. There are more than 800 species of eels found throughout the world's oceans, as well as in freshwater habitats. Eels are an extremely diverse group of fish, with some species growing to be over 10 feet long and others being only a few inches in length. Today, we will share amazing facts about eels that you didn't know. Number 9. Eels can breathe both in water and on land. While it may seem difficult to breathe outside of water, especially for creatures that spend most of their lives underwater, certain types of eels have adapted to life both in and out of water. The American eel can travel up rivers and streams many miles from the ocean in order to spawn. They don't use their gills to breathe while on land, but instead utilize specialized skin cells to absorb oxygen from the air. Their skin also protects them from drying out. As one might expect, this journey is very perilous for the eels, as they are often preyed upon by birds and other animals. However, if they make it to their spawning grounds, they will release their eggs and sperm into the water and then die soon after. No. 8. An eel's skeleton is made entirely of cartilage. This is similar to sharks and rays, which are also cartilaginous fish. Unlike sharks and rays, however, eels have no scales or paired fins such as pectoral or pelvic fins. Some eels have small scales that are embedded in their skin, while others are completely scaleless. Many eels also lack a swim bladder, which is a gas-filled sac that helps many fish to control their buoyancy in the water column. In order to move through the water, eels use their elongated bodies and powerful tails. Some eels are capable of moving very quickly, while others are more sluggish. Eels typically have small mouths with sharp teeth that they use to capture their prey. They are carnivorous and will eat just about anything that moves. This includes other fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and even other eels. Number 7. Eels are This means that they have both male and female reproductive organs. However, eels typically only have one functional gonad at a time. When they are young, their primary sex is determined by environmental factors, such as temperature and food availability. As they mature, some eels will transition to the opposite sex. This is beneficial for the eel species as a whole, because it ensures that there are always individuals available to mate. The ability to change sex may also be an adaptation that allows eels to take advantage of new ecological opportunities or respond to changes in their environment. For example, if there are more females than males in a particular area, eels may be more likely to transition to the male sex. No. 6. Female eels are larger than males. This is a general rule in nature where females tend to grow larger than males. This is because females require more resources for sexual reproduction, and therefore need to be larger in order to produce more eggs. Males, on the other hand, can get away with being smaller because they only need to produce sperm, which requires fewer resources. In addition, female eels may grow larger than males in order to protect their offspring. Many species of eels give birth to live young, and the larger size of the female provides more space for the developing embryos. It also allows the mother eel to carry more offspring at one time. No. 5. An eel's skin can regenerate if it is damaged. This is an amazing adaptation that allows eels to heal from injuries quickly. The skin of an eel consists of several layers, and when it is damaged, the top layer will often peel away. This exposes the underlying tissue to the environment, which can cause infection and further damage. However, eels have special cells in their skin that can regenerate new skin tissue quickly. This allows them to heal from injuries much faster than other fish. In addition, the skin of an eel is slimy, which helps to protect them from parasites and diseases. Number 4. The moray eel is the largest species of eel. These eels can grow up to 14 feet in length and weigh over 300 pounds. Moray eels are found in the oceans of the world, with the greatest abundance in the Indo-Pacific region. They typically live in coral reef habitats where they prey on fish and other animals. Despite their large size and predatory nature, moray eels are relatively slow-moving creatures. They are also known for their intelligence and are capable of, in addition, moray eels are social creatures who live in groups. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language. No. 3. Eels have been around for a very long time. The fossil record of eels is incomplete, but they are thought to have originated in the Devonian period, which began around 359 million years ago. Eels have changed little in form since then and are now found in freshwater and marine habitats throughout the world. During the course of their long history, eels have been preyed upon by many different animals, including fish, birds, and mammals. As a result, they have evolved many different defensive adaptations. Some eels are poisonous, while others are able to camouflage themselves. Still, others are simply too slimy to be eaten. Number 2. The American eel is considered to be a threatened species. This is due to a number of factors, including habitat loss, overfishing, and climate change. Habitat loss is caused by human activities such as the construction of dams, which fragment eel migration routes and prevent them from reaching their spawning grounds. Overfishing occurs when eels are caught as bycatch in the fishing industry or when they are harvested for food. Climate change is also a major threat to eels because it alters the temperature and salinity of their habitats, which can make it difficult for them to survive. No! 1. There are many different ways to cook eels, but they are most commonly grilled or baked. Eels have a unique flavor that has been compared to a smoky sausage. Some people enjoy the taste of eels, while others find them to be unpleasant. Eels are typically served with lemon juice or vinegar, and they pair well with potatoes and other starchy foods. In addition to their unique flavor, eels are also a good source of protein and other nutrients. They are low in fat and calories, and they are a good source of vitamins B12 and D.